Unpack and prepare the lighting accessories. Install fasteners. Install the track and cap. Fixed color bridge track. Free design shape. The base is aligned with the L&T rail. Tighten the 2 screws of the base. The color bridge track is installed on the L&T track. Put on the cap. Installation method 1. Fix it in the soil with a fixing needle. Installation method 2. The base is buried under the pile of stones. Method 3. Buried in the lawn. Install lighting fixtures on the L&T track. Install a small Arctic house. Insert the wire into the clip. Fixed clamp. Secure the fixture with waterproof tape. Optional version. Power it on. The installed effect is shown. Use the remote to turn the lights on and off. Adjust brightness and control flashing effects. Alternatively, scan the QR code to download the app. Enable Bluetooth to connect. Then use your phone to control power. Adjust brightness and manage lighting effects. The video concludes with more application scenarios.